Hey everybody, welcome to the daily recap for May 20th, 2022. And my oh my, did we have a really good day today. So, we came into the day, we were leaning bearish on the market, looking for continuation lower after a slight little bounce this morning. We got a little bit of a bounce right out the gate, and then we got that rollover. There's a couple names that we did take that didn't end up working today. I'm going to go through the stuff that did work because we had a crap load of 1,000%ers today, which is fantastic. We tried some BABA calls, Apple calls, Square, Coin, Sava, and Zoom out the gate. On the call side, those didn't end up working. We ended up grabbing a crap load of Tesla puts, and I kept shouting out to the room to have conviction on them. The 680s went up 1,900%. Tesla 660s, 1,651% low. We had the 180 puts for 1,263%. And then we also have the spread 393.88 on the SPY for 870. A couple of 500, 600% trades, mRNA, Dash, Cost, MU. SPY. If you follow me on Twitter, guys, you'll see all this stuff. I also, at the end of the day, going into the close, we took Amazon calls, SPY calls, and AVGO calls. And the Amazon, we got about 300% on those. They were expensive contracts, they're like $3. So, $3 to like $14, $15. It was fantastic. On that, we also had those SPY calls. We had the 386s into close, which went up over 1,000%, 1,015% in about 20 minutes. So I was very happy with that trade. And then AVGO, same thing, about 15, 20 minutes. We ended up getting 1,000% right away. And we took the 540 calls, basically reclaimed the 50 MA. I was looking for a squeeze on the market. These were super cheap. No one was on them. There was no liquidity on them at the moment, or at the time when we bought them. And to the end of the day, probably this is the best trade of the day. And we grabbed the calls for 10 cents. It went up to like 290. So effectively, like what, 2,700% for the day? Pretty damn good. So very happy with today's trades. I think we did extremely well. A lot of conviction, a lot of patience, and basically we just we stuck with trading the market, trading the trend. If something's holding the downtrend, don't fight it. If you're going to try to take anything long, wait till EMA supports get reclaimed or downtrends break, and that's what we did end up getting on the SPY. Actually, the bottom Celt got reclaimed. I was tweeting it out as well as writing in the room. These are the next levels, yada yada. But overall, very happy with how we performed, and we'll see what happens next week, guys. Market did fill the gap on the daily, so I do think we can roll over. You probably will see some margin calls hitting on Monday as well, and yeah, it's all good stuff. If you guys want to pop into our free Discord, the link is in the description. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. You can also go to the website, sign up, get access to all the alerts, targets, etc. I had 1,000% trades today, so it's pretty damn good. We had a couple 1,000% trades on Wednesday, and obviously some great equity trades as well. Targets, entries, exits, all that stuff's guided. And then obviously live stream and Discord. Anyways, so that's it. Thanks, guys, for watching. Have a great weekend, and I will see you next week. Have a good one.